All right, looks like we're recording. Just got a call that we found some rotted plywood over on the roof. So here I am doing what I do. Dreamworx Roofing here in Camp Hill area. Dropping off some plywood for some rotted conditions on this roof. So, okay, chévere, chévere. See, we got the delivery truck here, which is good. I just requested 2 plywoods. All right, while I'm here, part of my duty, it is white drip edge. Customer's getting brown wood, OC, good to go. All the other miscellaneous product looks like it's already on top. Let's go up and take a closer look. Here we go. Again, those that know me or don't know me, it's Jose, outside project manager on site, making sure everything is looking. Oh, okay. Yeah. Un pedazo nada más o va a tirar la ristra completa. Pues aquí. So you guys see, not good. It's actually flaking, cracking. But yeah, that's not good. Y eso vamos a tener que remover eso también. Sí. Oh, okay. Around the chimney area, we have some rotted wood as well. All right, strip off is still going. Good deal. Literally. There goes Steven Snyder, company owner, arriving. We literally have another one, not even 2 minutes walking from here, happening right across the way. Okay, let me go around the corner over here and see what we have going on the other job. Steven Snyder, the man of the hour. Yeah, let me go check over the other job over here across the way. Yeah? And what's your name? You're Russell? No. Mr. Russell? Somebody else. Somebody else, right? Yeah. Anonymity. Literally, I mean, I could have just ran over here, you know, but, you know. Yeah, I got my steps in yesterday. I burned the carbs that I needed to burn. Another take of my spot, my position here with Dreamworx, mediator between the crew and the customer. Right, so primary language of the crew is Spanish. Great guys, good crew to work with. So I'm that person in between when the customer does have a question in the morning. I'm first on site, meet with the customer, give them my business card if there's any questions of any sort, or they're trying to get some across the customer, you know, the crew, and they're not, you know, grasping. You know what I'm saying? They give me a call, or vice versa. The customer will give me a call, and we'll get things, you know, taken care of. Here we are. No se olviden ese techito que está allí. El chiquito. El techito ese que no se olviden que fácilmente. Yeah, here obviously shed is also being done. It's going to be a bit of an obstacle going on here because we have a pool in the middle of it all. Aquí la madera se ve toda bien, se ve bien. Okay, chévere. Mastic black. And here we have what we need. Sometimes, you know, believe it or not, it does happen. You'll get a different color in between of it all. So it's good to observe the material that arrives. Make sure everything is on point. Around this chimney, everything is holding up well. Normally, this is where you see the first rot happening. There's a bit of something here going on, but still nice and hard, so no need. But yeah, everything looks pretty decent here. Oye, yeah, we're gonna have to rebend metal for this one. That's part of her fascia metal. No bueno. Okay. And we need more step flashing in here as well. Very old shingle, and I'm surprised how that wood held up. That's freaking awesome. All right, here we are. The inventory. Inventory check, rustic black. Our good old Resisto. Looking good down here. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. See, they have a little bit of leftover. I think that's for that. The shed out back. And there it is, folks, you know. It's another day in Jose's shoes. and back at it, you know. It's always a blessing when you have jobs this close, you know, because it makes work a lot more efficient. The guys will get their supply a lot faster versus in being here based in Campbell, and then, for example, if we have a job in York. But anyway, it's a great day. It's a great day to be with Dreamworx Roofing here on these job sites. And that'll be it. That'll be it for me. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. You have a good day and enjoy.